Before we start on page 15, I want to give you a little bit of a reminder on perimeter and how to find it and how to think of it more algebraically. So if we were to find the perimeter of this rectangle, we would just add all of the sides. So basically the perimeter is side plus side plus side plus side. Got side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4. So perimeter is 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Altogether that is 10. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 10. We'll just call it 10 units because I didn't give it any units. I didn't say inches or centimeters or whatever, so 10 units. So now if you have, say, a triangle, it's the same, but you only have 3 sides. Perimeter would be side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. So we'll call this side 1. So perimeter is 5 plus 4 plus 2. And that would make 11 units. So the perimeter of this triangle is 11 units. Now sometimes you don't know exactly what the length of the side is. And so you might call it, give it a name, a variable. So we know this is 2, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. We're not sure what this is. We'll call it A. We know this is twice the length of this, so we're going to call it 2A. Now the directions are still the same. To find the perimeter, use the same formula as you did before. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So perimeter would be P equals side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4 plus side 5 plus side 6. I should have chosen fewer sides. Okay, so now let me plug these in. We'll call this side 1. So 2 plus A plus another 2 plus 4 plus 2A plus 3. All right, so let's go back and combine like terms. So P is, we've got 3A plus 2 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. 3A plus 11. So my final answer is the perimeter is 3A plus 11. And if I were to figure out what the value of A is, then I could find out the whole perimeter. Here's one more example. I'm glad this one only has 3 sides. So once again, the perimeter is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Hi, Amber. Amber's telling me she wants to go outside and she's going to be annoying until she does, till I let her. All right, so we'll call this side 1. So P equals side 1 is A plus side 2 is the A plus 2. A plus 2, that's side 2. I'll put it in parentheses just so it stands out. Plus side 3 is 3A. So now if I were to combine like terms, I have A plus A plus A plus 3A. So that's 5A plus 2. There. So that is the perimeter of the triangle, algebraically. So now, page 15. They did A for you. And if you look over at the figure A, your sides are 3x, x plus 2, 3x, and x plus 2. So they have 3x, x plus 2, 3x, x plus 2. So each one of those sides is added in here. In the end, when you count up all your x's, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you've got 8 x's, and then your numbers 2 plus 4, just like that. So now let's look at B. We have x plus 6, and x. So the perimeter of B is x plus 6 plus x plus 6 plus x. We're just adding all the sides together. This is nice because they're all addition. So let's do our variable first. 1, 2, 3 x's. 6 plus 6 is 12. That's the perimeter of B. See how simple that is? Let's look at two more. G. G has L, L, and W. L stands for length and W stands for width, by the way. So, the perimeter of G is L plus W plus L plus W. And that equals, alphabetically, 2L plus 2W. You know, I'm going to put this so it doesn't look like a 21. There. 2L plus 2W. See? And I is a fascinating figure. It's got 4 sides. That makes it a quadrilateral. So let's add up the sides for I. We have A, B, C. Oh, well, that's interesting. We have side A. So the perimeter is A plus B plus C plus D. Now, I'm looking at this. Can I combine any of these? No, I cannot combine any of these. So it is already in simplest form. That's the best I can do. So the perimeter of I is A plus B plus C plus D. So that's it. So you go back and do the rest. You've got C, D, E, F, H, and J. And all you're doing is adding the sides together. It's really simple. So just, look through here. You're going to add up every one of these sides. And this only has variables, so you can see how many x's you'll have when you finish. So I think this is not as complicated as it looks. It's really not. So go have at it.